Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kimchi Daman. First, select a fresh Napa cabbage, typically weighing 2 to 3 kilograms. Cut it into quarters and soak it in a salt brine. Then, carefully salt each leaf layer by hand, letting it sit for several hours until softened. This crucial step draws out moisture and seasons the cabbage perfectly. After salting, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water to remove any excess salt, ensuring a balanced flavor. Next, we prepare the vibrant kimchi paste. You will need key ingredients like gochugaru, fresh garlic, ginger, and a good quality fish sauce. Finely chop fresh radishes, green onions, and a sweet Asian pear to add texture and natural sweetness. Combine all these ingredients in a large mixing bowl, ensuring they are well incorporated. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, aiming for a complex, savory, and slightly spicy flavor profile. Now for the fun part, mixing. Always wear gloves to protect your hands from the chili paste. Take each cabbage quarter and generously spread the prepared paste evenly between every single leaf. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Once coated, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight container, pressing down to remove air pockets. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your desired tanginess. After its initial fermentation, transfer your delicious kimchi to the refrigerator. The cold temperature slows down the fermentation process, allowing the flavors to deepen and mature over time. Kimchi is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it as a vibrant side dish with almost any meal, or incorporate it into stews, fried rice, or pancakes. Properly stored in an airtight container, your homemade kimchi will remain fresh and flavorful for several weeks, ready to be savored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.